What are nanoparticles? Nanoparticles are particles with three dimensions, length, width, and height, at the nanoscale. The nanoscale is defined as being between 1 and 100 nanometers. Nanoparticles can be made from many chemicals. These can include metals such as silver and polymers such as polyamidoamine, to name a few. In addition to a core, some nanoparticles also have a shell layer, which can be composed of different chemicals as well, including metals such as gold and metal oxides such as silica. For example, the titanium dioxide nanoparticles in mineral sunscreens are actually a core shell nanoparticle with a titanium dioxide core and a thin aluminum oxide shell. In some cases, nanoparticles are made in oil but need to be transferred to water. Adding a coating layer can help change the surface of the nanoparticle from hydrophobic or water-fearing to hydrophilic or water-loving, which helps with this transfer of the nanoparticles from oil to water. The coating layer can also change the surface charge of the nanoparticle to positive or negative, which leads to another reason why a coating is added, to help keep the nanoparticles from sticking to each other and creating larger clusters. For example, positively charged nanoparticles will be attracted to stick to negatively charged nanoparticles or other negatively charged substances. The technical term for particles sticking to each other and creating larger clusters is agglomeration. Sometimes biological molecules, such as antibodies, proteins, or nucleic acids, are added to the surface of nanoparticles to give the nanoparticles additional properties, such as the ability to recognize other biological molecules. This is useful for developing sensors and targeted medicines. In the case of targeted medicines, the drug molecule can also be added to the surface of the nanoparticle. Finally, nanoparticles can be made into many different shapes. These include not only spheres, but also cubes, rods, and triangles, to name a few. With so many parameters to choose from, what kind of nanoparticle would you design?